In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize timeframes on MetaTrader 5 desktop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to adjust the chart timeframes so they match your own trading style, whether you're a scalper, a day trader, or more of a swing trader. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open on your desktop and that you can see a chart on your screen. Along the top of the chart window, or sometimes just above the chart area, you'll see a toolbar with different timeframe buttons like M1, M5, M15, H1, and so on. These represent different time intervals for each candle or bar on your chart. For example, M1 is 1 minute per candle, H1 is 1 hour, and D1 is 1 day. To start customizing, move your mouse to that timeframe toolbar and right-click directly on it. You can right-click on any of the visible timeframe labels in that area. This right-click is important because it opens up a context menu with additional options that are not shown by default. If nothing happens, make sure you are actually on the timeframe bar itself and not on the chart background. From the menu that appears after you right-click, look for the option labeled Customize and left-click on it. This will open a small window dedicated to timeframe customization. In this window, you'll usually see two sections. One list shows the timeframes that are currently active and visible on your toolbar, and another list shows additional timeframes that are available but not currently displayed. Now, simply follow the on-screen prompts in that customization window. You can select a timeframe from the available list and add it to your active toolbar, or select one from the active list and remove it if you don't use it often. Typically, there are buttons like Insert, Remove, Up, and Down to help you organize the order in which timeframes appear. Take a moment to arrange them in a way that matches how you analyze the markets so the ones you use most are easy to reach. When you're satisfied with your selections and the order, confirm your changes by clicking the appropriate confirmation button in that window. After you close it, look back at the timeframe toolbar. You should now see your customized set of timeframes ready for quick access whenever you switch charts or instruments. That's all there is to it. With just a right click, the Customize option, and a few simple on-screen prompts, you can tailor the MetaTrader 5 desktop interface to better support your trading workflow.